How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin back with another video. It's a Friday afternoon. Me and Julie's over at the Rusty Rooster Homestead. I got the generator going out there, running that air conditioner, and the little camper is really nice. Keep us cool if we get too hot. It's about 89 or so degrees out here. It's pretty hot. Got Julie out here in the field mowing some weeds. Everything's growing up pretty high. I just got another big snake out of the yard. Julie's screaming like crazy. She don't like them snakes. So what she's doing is just running the bush hog with the gator over that field there, cleaning it up, doing a good job. We still got to watch. There's big sticks and rocks and stuff in there, but the bush hog's made to go over most of that. There's nothing too big in there. And I'm doing some trimming. I got a lot of weed whacking to do, a lot of brush cutting here. We're getting ready to get our electricity in. We're going to get some electric down here, and I got to clean it right away. So the old Swisher mower is still working good. Thing mows just about anything. Love it. So that's what Julie's doing, and this is going to be my job for the weekend. I got to come up here and cut a 30-foot right-of-way so we can get power down in here. So the phone company, or the power company, wants a 30-foot right-of-way down in here. And right up through there is where we got to cut it. And here is, they got marked here, this is where my telephone pole is supposed to sit. So I'm not really crazy about cutting my trees, because that does give us a lot of privacy from the road looking down. But you know, things will grow back up. Maybe we can plant something in there that don't grow too high and mess with the power lines. But yeah, we got some work cut out for us this weekend, and I got a lot of trees that's got to be cut. So I'm gonna get to trimming. You guys hang in there, and throughout the weekend I'll show you what I get done on this right away. Alright, so we got the right-of-way cleaned out, and as you can see at the very top of the hill, the engineer has a stake up there where they're going to put a telephone pole up there at the top of the hill, and then I am going to put my pole right here, and that's going to give us electricity down here for when we're working, which is going to be great to have some electricity. So while we was clearing off the right-of-way here, you guys remember Julie found the 1875, Joel? The dime? Yeah. Julie found the 1875 dime down over the hill there. And as we're cleaning up here, we find something pretty interesting. We found an old foundation to a house. Now, the oldest person alive that we know is about 82 years old, and they lived up on this hill and never knew this foundation was in here. And we're finding some crazy old stuff. This is an old piece of crock. And is that thing big, kind of red inside. And we got a beautiful foundation in here. I'm going to look over this. We're going to do some measurements on this foundation and see about how big it is. And then we're going to get all this cleaned up. If we ever get the time, we're going to get up here with the metal detector and do some metal detecting up in here and just see what we can come up with. You can see the old foundation is right in there. You can see the stones where the foundation come up, and it goes all the way over to there, and then the foundation goes down, and I do believe right in the center of the video camera there is the corner. Now, if you go from that corner, where them logs are, there's stone down in there. Like this wall, when it fell, it collapsed. It went clear down into here. So it could have been maybe 6 feet high or something, but you can see the stone. They go right along in through here. And they go over there. Now once we get more of it cleared out, we'll be able to see more. But I'm thinking this is going to be an awesome place to run a metal detector to see what we can find. And maybe do a little bit more research on the history of the property to see if we can find out a little bit more about it. Hopefully find some more old coins, which would be fun. So that's what's going on with the right-of-way. So our next step is going to be getting this pole dug out, put the telephone pole in, and get 200 amp service sitting on that pole so we can get our electric. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.